Now that we have this data in here, now it's ready to get an equation from it. So the easiest way that I can think of is just to remember the formula for an exponential function, which is y equals ab to the x. The thing is that this equation is going to give us an error. Why? Because if you look at the table, it is not just y, it is y1. So I go back to the y, it is y1. Another thing is that this calculator does not accept the equal sign. We use the approximation symbol, which is this one right here. And then we go up here, and it's not just xx, it is x1. So I'm just going to go up here and put a 1 next to it. Now, if I go all the way down, it's going to give me an equation. The first number should be around 47,000. So look, the first number, the only one that's close to it, it is B. Now look at the next number, which is the rate. The rate is 0.93. Yeah, there you go. It's around there, 0.93. So I found my answer here, which is B. And again, this is all you do. You have to remember this step right here. Y1 approximation AB to the X1. And it's going to give us the information that we're asking.